So we pulled into the Acene Family Ranch off of Highway 246 between Lompoc and Buellton to go to a family wedding. Hi, I'm Ray.
And I'm Pam.
We're Santana RV.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. Going on a ride with Ray, the dogs, and Uncle Larry. We'll see how this goes today.
Oh, look at your shepherd Paul. Oh, there he is. Daddy.
Sometimes, not very often, I get to drive. The sun is setting behind us.
About 8 RVs pulled in where we were at. We ended up having a big barbecue horseshoe tournament for the bachelor party get together. My cousin and I and our wives, we all cooked breakfast for all the guys that were a little tuned in the next morning. So on Friday afternoon we went to the wedding venue, which is just right across the street, and we helped set up a little bit of the wedding party stuff, and we ended up that night barbecuing for about 90 people for the rehearsal dinner, and that was fun, and it was one big party the whole weekend. Christmas, we enjoyed a quiet Christmas with my mother-in-law, Pam's mom, of course, and my brother-in-law, Doug, and that was fun. Action. So during all this time, we had an issue with the a little gremlin in our transmission computer. Luckily, it didn't break it down on us when we were at the wedding. But during Christmas and through the holidays, we took it to the Ford dealership and was getting it worked on, and thus it caused us to miss out on our New Year's Eve bash here at Quartzsite.
So the rental they gave us is a F-150 Ford Platinum. Beautiful truck, but you should see the looks we've been getting from some of the fellow RVers as they see us drive up and drive away from the sexy seismic, and they're like looking in the back of the truck to see if there's a hitch in here. It's kind of funny.
Yeah, we've gotten some weird looks, actually some funny looks. So tell everybody, yeah, this is our little pull truck. No, actually we pulled this behind the toy hauler. We had to move sites, and my cousin Paul came and helped out and moved us from the full hookups to the parking lot. And hey everybody, we may not be in Quartzsite with you guys, but just got word that my truck is ready, so I'm gonna go pick it up right now.
Santa Maria Ford dealership.
We're on the road and we're gonna see how far we can get today. to everybody, our watchers and subscribers, and everybody. Happy New Year and Happy New Year. Thank you for watching. If you like any of our videos, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the button. Push the subscribe button. That thing.